Hi, third graders. It's Mrs. McKenna with your math lesson today. Over the last few weeks, we have been looking at different multiplication strategies. We've looked at drawing a picture, so taking one of your factors here. So we took 4, drawing 4 circles, and then taking that other factor, 7, and putting 7 dots in each of the circles. We looked at repeated addition, so taking one of your factors and adding it together as many times as this factor here. So adding 7 4 times. And then we worked on skip counting. Today we are going to look at another strategy, which is making a table, or another word for it is a ratio table. So how we're going to do that today, let's say we have the equation 3 times 3 equals question mark. Okay, so I'm going to start with using just 1 3. And for my example, I decided to use bags and cookies. So I decided that I'm going to have one bag, and in that one bag will be 3 cookies. Okay, so I know one bag has 3 cookies, but I have to do this 3 times. So now I'm going to pretend that I have 2 bags of cookies. I know one bag has 3, so I need to put another group of 3 because now I have 2 bags of cookies. So 2 bags of cookies is going to be 6 cookies. Okay, so I know that I have to do this 3 times. So one more time, I need to add one more bag to my table. So now I'll say I have 3 bags of cookies. I know in one bag of cookies, we have 3 cookies. I know in 2 bags of cookies, we have 6 cookies. So 2 bags, 6 cookies. This looks the same here, but I need 3 bags of cookies. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more bag of cookies. So now I have my 3 groups of 3, 3 times. This was 6. If I add one more group of 3 to 6, I will get 9. So my answer for this problem, 3 times 3, is going to be 9. And this is a strategy you can use for any of your multiplication problems, in addition to any of the other ones that we've worked with. So today for your math work, you are going to be looking at page 89 in your math packet. Now remember that the pages may be out of order, so you're going to have to go back and make sure on the bottom you see 89. The top will read multiplying by 2, 3, 4, and 8, page 1 of 2. But today, third graders, you are only doing page 89. So your job is to take a look at these problems, and you're going to want to circle all the doubles facts in blue. Now, if you remember, our doubles facts is going to be one factor multiplied by 2. So I would look at 4 times 2, know that's a doubles fact, and I would go ahead and circle it, leaving enough room for me to solve my problem. So 4 2 times is adding 4 by itself, so 4 plus 4. That's a doubles fact. The next thing you're going to do is take a look at your doubles plus 1 facts. Oops, trying to get the red here. All right, so a doubles plus 1 means that you have to add a 1 to your 2, which is your double. So any facts that are 1 factor times a 3 is going to be your doubles plus 1. Okay, then third grade, you can go ahead and solve these problems. Now you can use any of your multiplication strategies that you have learned. I will put that multiplication strategies sheet on the third grade website for you to look at. Or you can use your doubles facts, like I was saying before. 4 doubled is 4 plus itself, so it would be 4 plus 4. When you're looking at doubles plus 1, you could take a look at 3 times 3 and say, 3 doubled, 3 plus 3 is 6. But I've only used 2 3s. I need to use 3 3s. So I would take 3 plus 3, which is 6, and add 6 plus 3 to get my answer, which would be 9. Okay, so you can go ahead, do these problems using whatever strategy you want, and then you're going to go back and look at these division problems. Now, you're going to notice that you can use the multiplication facts above to help you. Remember that division is the opposite of multiplication. So you can use multiplication to help you with your division. That is your math work today. Please contact your classroom teacher if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help as well. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.